Naghahanap ka ba ng residential lot kung saan mo itatayo ang pangarap mong bahay? Let me introduce you to Town and Country San Pablo by Active Realty and Development Corp. Bakit Town and Country? Number 1, accessibility. 7 minutes away from the National Highway, 5 minutes away from the ongoing bypass road, near schools, hospital, SM San Pablo, fast food chains, banks, resort, and public market. Number 2, affordability. Alam mo ba na sa halagang 5,000 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-reserve kay Town and Country? Yes, you heard it right. Reservation fee is only 5,000 pesos. Plus, you can choose your preferred scheme of payment from cash to installment basis. Number 3, clean and green, pollution-free. San Pablo City has a cool climate owing to its location, nestled in the foothills of 3 legendary mountains, Mount Manahaw, Mount Makiling, and the Sierra Madre Mountains. Number 4, flood-free. As of today, hindi pa po nakakaranas ng matinding pagbaha si San Pablo City. How high is San Pablo? Estimated 118.9 meters or 389.9 feet above sea level. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-invest na!